Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today is Monday morning, and today we're gonna talk about some stocks that are on fire that y'all should be keeping in your watch list. All right, and I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions for those of y'all who dropped those stocks of interest in the comment section of last night's video, right after the intro. All right, y'all. Oh my God, no. There we go. All right. Before we begin, do not forget to annihilate the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, it helps the channel a lot and allows more people to get this knowledge as well. If you're new to the channel, definitely click on subscribe. Now let's take a look at this. Right off the bat, we got the Spire right now, and so far it's looking pretty good. It looks like we're about to break out of this previous level. There are some short sellers in that candle, just to let y'all know. Let me switch over to the one. All right, and yeah, these individuals are not very happy right now, so just watch it for them to get taken out and to cause a little bit of a pop above 41, above 47.57. All right, this is looking kind of strong into the open, so just take cautious. And again, if you have calls over the weekend, try not to be too greedy. Okay, don't be too greedy. As soon as it pops, again, take some gains off the table. There is nothing wrong with paying yourself as things climb. All right, nothing wrong with that, so just keep that in mind. The first one that we're going to look at, the first stock that I think is about to make a significant move today, that stock is Facebook. All right, or I should say Meta, which goes by FB on here. All right, so in regards to Meta, I like the chart just a little bit. I like the chart. There is something that I see on the chart, and I think it's worth sharing. It's been going sideways over here for some time, trading between 300 and 350. When is it going to get back up above 350? I think it's gonna do so very soon. All right. But for today, there is this thing that I'm noticing on the chart, and I do think that it's gonna pop today. All right. There is that thing right there. Right there. It broke out on Friday, yesterday. It held throughout the entire day. And now it moved up $2 after hours. People who bought calls in here, I don't think they'll be too quick to just sell out the gates. I think they're just gonna wait. And I think the stock is gonna shoot all the way up towards like 343, maybe 344 today. There's some news about Meta over here, as you can see, but not something that's catching my eye too much. Just the one thing that I want to share with you is the chart itself. All right, this is looking clean, therefore watch it for a long. Okay, now the next one that we're going to talk about, that one is Microsoft. All right, and the reason why I want to share Microsoft with y'all again, number one, Nasdaq and SPY, and they're doing really well, which is good. All right, and Microsoft is moving up as well. It moved up by $2.80 over the weekend, and it looks like it's ready to make new highs. I think that it's going to go up to 340 today before consolidating sideways. There is this thing over here. Somebody could argue that there is that line of resistance right there. Yeah, it's right there. It's pretty obvious. Yeah, I think we're gonna retest it. And then could we break it on Tuesday? Maybe. Could we also go all the way up to 340 and then drop and then try to break it later? We could also do that as well. All right. That's why I say don't be too greedy. If you make money, collect the money. All right, you make the money, you take the money and you run, and then you just wait for the other opportunity to get back in, just in case this move doesn't happen. All right, you can always get back in at the lows over here or at the attempt of the retest again, because the more I retest that level, the more likely it is going to break. So keep that in mind. All right, so these are two stocks on fire that you should be keeping in your watch list for this morning. Now, let's talk about you guys' stocks of interest. Again, first one that we're going to discuss. The market is about to open in like what 32 minutes, so we got time. First one that we're gonna discuss is DraftKings, DKNG. Now, in regards to DraftKings, there's no news on stock, all right. But the stock itself, the chart is consolidating at the moment, all right. It's consolidating and it's just curling back up here. It's gonna try to get above 30 again. Like if you look at it on the daily, this drawing is still here. I talked about this a long time ago. I think it was like 2 or 3 weeks ago. Showing y'all that there was a head and shoulders, very very bearish, and as soon as that neckline right there broke, it was game over, and this thing just started tanking and tanking and tanking. And I think that it's gonna go up again. I think that I'm not bearish at these levels, definitely not. I'm watching for a turnaround all the way up to like $35. I would say by the end of the year. It's gonna take a little bit of time, but by the end of the year, it should get back to $35. That's my opinion of the stock. Okay. Now, the next one that we're going to discuss, somebody asked me to talk about apps. All right. Now, in regards to apps, I like this stock. I really do. The contracts. Oh, they added weeklies on this one. Oh, this is nice. Okay, yeah, I like this stock a lot. To the person who asked about it, the reason why is because there is opportunity on here. Lots of volatilities, wild swings, and traders love this. All right. And one thing that you should watch for, there is kind of this triple bottom over here, left, middle, right, and also there is a gap right here at $72, which should get filled at some point in time. Definitely watch this thing for a move up to $70 at least. I'm not bearish on this one at all. Like it's holding quite well throughout the entire year. It's been moving with the growth stocks like the Palantirs and the Plugs and the all of these little tiny ones, right? And then obviously the other ones got demolished by like 80%. But this one is still trying to like hold its weight. It's just chilling in this very broad range, providing nice opportunities for swing traders and day traders alike. So I think it can move up to $70. I definitely think so. I'm not bearish on this one, and it is a great question to the person who asked about it. The next one that we're going to talk about, that one is RCL travel stocks. I talked about travel stocks previously. Congrats to anybody who were able to make money on NHCL. NHCL looked a lot better than RCL. There was a flag. Actually, no, they both look pretty good. Yeah, there was a flag over here. I told y'all to watch RCL on that specific, to watch NCLH on that specific day for the move up, and it moved all the way up to like $80. All of the cruise lines moved up a decent 10%. So there was some nice money to be made on here. Right now, again, I think we're just gonna chill sideways. I don't have too high of expectations in regards to the cruise lines. And in regards to travel stocks in general, I think BA is gonna stall. I think United Airlines is gonna stall. I just think that they're gonna chill out while everything else is moving. Unfortunately, right? I don't think money is gonna be flowing that way anytime soon. So be careful if you're too hyped about travel stocks, because I really don't think that they're gonna move that much. I don't think so. Now the last stock that we have to discuss is BYND. Yeah. All right. Now, in regards to BYND, it's trying to do some. I'm just waiting. For $70.50 to just break through. Right now it's just chilling and nobody is winning. Shorts are losing. Like if you're swing trading this stock, like just know that you're down. Like if you started buying calls over here, you got crushed by theta time decay because the stock went nowhere. All right. I don't like to trade stock that goes sideways. I don't touch them at all. Like I just let them be, and I just go find something that looks better that can pay me sooner. Now in regards to this stock, again, Be patient with it. Eventually, it's gonna break through $70.40, and eventually, it's gonna climb back up to like 85. I don't know when. I have my eye on it though. I don't know when it's gonna pop, but it's definitely something worth watching, especially after it got crushed since the 200s. I think this is a 66% drop, maybe 70. Yeah, 70% drop. So yeah, it's definitely worth watching. That is the end of the video. Again, do not forget to annihilate the like button for the YouTube algorithm as always. Helps the channel a lot. It allows more people to get this knowledge as well. Also, if you are new to the channel, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way you don't miss out on future uploads. If you'd like to be part of a private Discord community, you can find that at the very first link in the description of the video below. Also, if you're not following us on social media, you can find me at Paul Nguma and at Paranology Lab on Instagram and on Twitter and Facebook as well. And lastly, if all of this is brand new to you and you're interested in getting started in the stock market, I left very basic step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 to step 3. It only takes about 10 to 15 minutes max for you to get signed up with all the tools you need to start trading immediately. You can also get two free stocks right after signing up with Webull using the third link in the description of the video below. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul Nguma with Paranology Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in the next video, alright? Enjoy the outro.